Well, Melissa, what about on Thanksgiving? Will we see an improvement?
We definitely will. Yeah, conditions will continue to improve all the way up to Thanksgiving, and they'll be decent on Friday, but then by Saturday we're going to start to go the other direction again. So travel conditions are good about the 24 hours before and after Thanksgiving. Yesterday, not bad. I mean, we did start out with those chilly temperatures, icy roadways in the morning with some fog as well. But by the afternoon, mostly sunny. High temperature got back up to 49 degrees here in Eugene. Europe at 46 in Roseburg, 50 for the high temperature in Corvallis. Central Oregon, impressive at 52, given that you did start out in the teens again yesterday morning. And the coast, man, that's the place to be. Sunny skies and temperatures pushing nearly 60 degrees again yesterday. Now this morning, we're once again waking up to some high cirrus clouds here across the state. You may have noticed those yesterday afternoon as well. When you start to see those thin, wispy, feather-like clouds that are high up in the atmosphere, that's generally an indication that a storm is on the way. And we do have a cold front just offshore. But here's the thing, that is actually all going to get carried up to the north. Jet stream pulling that storm apart as we speak. So nothing really to worry about that there other than those high cirrus clouds. Temperatures still chilly this morning. Those clouds definitely not keeping us up. 28 right now in Eugene and Salem. You're at 34 in Roseburg, upper 30s and low 40s along the coast, and then back down into the teens as you head over into Central Oregon. Also, we're seeing that fog forming again here in the Southern Valley and across the Umpqua Basin. So here's what's going on. That ridge of high pressure, which had been with us since the middle part of last week, continuing to slide on to the east. And so that's why we're starting to see some of those clouds pushing in. But it's still strong enough that, again, it's not letting that cold front progress onto the east. And instead, jet stream is pulling that apart, most of that going up to the north of us. We do have a second storm developing here in the central Pacific. That one's all going to get carried down to the Bay Area, down near San Francisco. So we don't have to worry about that one either. Continuing to stay dry all the way through Thanksgiving. But then this weekend, I'm zooming way out here, going to the other side of the Pacific Ocean. This storm is the one we're keeping a close eye on. It's tapping into tropical moisture. But before it gets to western Oregon, it's going to travel up into Alaska, northern Canada, and then make its way into the Pacific Northwest. That means it's also going to pick up some very chilly air, drop those snow levels down to at least 2,000 feet by Monday. So again, that's just something to watch out for. It's still about a week away. Otherwise, the coast today still very mild, partly sunny, highs back to the mid to upper 50s, falling to the low 40s again tonight. The Umpqua Basin, low 50s for you. Seeing that fog again this morning, sunny this afternoon, and those winds will continue to be calm. The Cascades, nice and mild. We're talking upper 40s all the way up to Willamette Pass. Same story for those of you in the foothills, and it's back down to the mid 20s tonight. Central Oregon back into the mid-50s under those sunny skies this afternoon. Winds will be light and you'll likely fall to the low to mid-20s again tonight. And for the Willamette Valley, it's upper 40s for high temperatures, back down into the upper 20s tonight. So we're slowly warming up a couple degrees with each day. And that trend again does continue. And it's mainly because the clouds continue to increase. So more and more cloud cover with each day along the coast. Still dry all the way through Friday, but you'll likely see those showers starting Saturday, and they'll continue through Monday. The Umpqua Basin also continue to warm up, especially overnight. You see upper 30s there by the end of the week. The Cascades will see temperatures dropping as that snow level drops next weekend down to 2,000 feet by Monday, 32 degrees for the high temperature. And again, we'll see a snow rain mix Sunday with snow on Monday. And for the Willamette Valley, highs staying in the upper 40s and low 50s. Overnight lows not getting above freezing until Thanksgiving night, but we will stay dry into Saturday night. The showers return, and we'll see that rain through Monday.